Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Khaliq. This special name means the Creator. Let's discover together how amazing Allah's creation is. Al-Khaliq means the Creator. Allah is the one who creates everything from nothing. He is the best creator who makes everything perfect and beautiful. Look at all the amazing things Allah has created: beautiful flowers in different colors, cute animals of all sizes, tall mountains, and green trees. Each one is special and unique. Allah created the beautiful sky above us. During the day, He gives us the bright sun to keep us warm. At night, He gives us the shining moon and twinkling stars. Allah created all people in the best way. He made each of us special and unique. Some of us are tall, some are short, we have different colored eyes and hair, and that's wonderful. Did you know? Allah created tiny ants that can carry food many times their size. He created giraffes with long necks to reach tall trees, and fish that can swim deep in the ocean. We should thank Allah for being Al-Khaliq and creating everything so perfectly. We can say, Alhamdulillah, thank you Allah, when we see beautiful things He created. Remember, children, Allah is Al-Khaliq, the creator of everything. He created this amazing world for us to live in and enjoy. SubhanAllah, Allah is the best creator.